Frame It All cap composite pickets and panels are made of recycled materials and are built to stand beautiful for over 30 years. The pre-assembled panels can be installed on a hard surface or in ground with a concrete footing. The cap composite pickets can be installed onto traditional wood rails and posts or onto Frame It All's cap composite posts and rails. When installing your Frame It All cap composite fence, begin by measuring out your post hole locations. Posts should be a maximum of 74.3 inches or 1877 millimeters center post to center post for panel installation. For hard surface installation, begin by positioning the hard surface post mount at your first post location. Use the holes on the post mount to mark the concrete and drill 4 inches into the concrete using a masonry drill bit. Fasten all 4 anchor bolts to the post mount and hammer them all into the ground, keeping the post mount as level as possible. Cut the excess 2.5 foot galvanized post from the cap composite post and insert the cap composite post onto the post mount. Repeat these steps for all posts in your project. For in-ground installation, begin by digging your post hole. When digging out your post hole, make sure to abide by local code requirements for the width and depth of the hole. The diameter of the hole should be a minimum of 12 inches across and 33 inches deep if using Frame It All cap composite posts. For deeper frost lines, a cut piece of inner steel post can be inserted into the top of the cap composite sleeve to allow more of the post to be inserted into the ground. This method can be used to extend your in-ground post footing up to 4 feet. Fill the hole with 3 inches of gravel for drainage. Once the post is positioned in the hole, pour in the fast-setting concrete and dome it around the post to prevent water pooling. Repeat this step for all posts in your project. Once the posts are set, you are now ready to install your panels or cap aluminum rails if installing individual pickets. For cap rail installation, insert the T-bracket into both ends of the rail and using the holes of the T-bracket, mark the posts. Then pre-drill through both the cap composite sleeve and inner steel post. Use the screws provided to fasten the T-brackets. Once all the rails are secured, pre-drill through both the picket and rail and secure with color-matched screws. For sections that overlap with the T-bracket, pre-drill through the T-bracket. Repeat this for all pickets on your project. For pre-assembled panel installation, begin by unscrewing the top right screw of the pre-assembled panel. Insert the T-bracket so that it lines up with the screw hole. Pre-drill through the screw hole into the T-bracket. Finally, reinstall the screw through the picket and T-bracket. Repeat this step for all rail openings of the panel. Once all T-brackets are secured to the panel, place a support in between the posts and position the panel at your desired height. Use the holes of the T-bracket to mark the posts. Then pre-drill through both the cap composite sleeve and inner steel post. Use the screws provided to fasten the T-brackets. Repeat for all panels on your project. Finally, install the post cap onto each post. You now have a durable and sustainably made Frame It All fence that is protected by cap coat technology. Every Frame It All fence is backed by a 30-year warranty, so you can be confident that your fence will stand strong and beautiful for a lifetime. For more detailed instructions, refer to our PDF installation guide.